And I also believe that this particular spectrum of light, the red and infrared spectrum, has anti-inflammatory effects. So another thing that we've appreciated when you do the 640 step is that if people have inflammation in their skin, either from active acne breakouts or rosacea, it lessens, and you see it lessen in front of your eyes. Then patients love it around the eyes. There is something magical that happens when you use a 640 smooth filter around the eyes. It's so easy to do. So you can do SkinSmooth anywhere where you'd like to improve crepiness, improve the quality of the wrinkle into the skin, or make skin look tighter and make it look younger anywhere on the body. SkinSmooth has a number of advantages when you think of either other technologies that are out there, or when you think of things that we don't really have any good non-invasive or easy way to treat. It's a unique patient-pleasing heroic application. Patients love this treatment, and it's one of the things that gets them coming back and wanting to do it again. It's why we now offer SkinSmooth as a standalone neck and full face treatment because patients have been asking for it. Can I just come in and do this in 6 weeks? Can I do this in 2 months? And you can do this as often as you want on patients.